Hey crocheters, I don't know about you, but right now, even though it's summertime, I am ready for Christmas. So to get into that early Christmas spirit, let's do Christmas in July crochet along. I have teamed up with 7 other crochet pattern designers to bring you the Christmas in July mosaic blanket cowl. That's right, I've teamed up with 7 other crochet pattern designers to bring you a festive and fun crochet along that uses the overlay mosaic crochet technique. Each section of this blanket features a different holiday themed design. Think ornaments, stockings, trees, snowflakes, and more, created using the stunning technique of overlay mosaic crochet. This cowl starts on July 1st and lasts the whole month. You'll get 2 sections every week that will be released for free on the designer's website. This blanket was worked up using Swish DK from crochet.com in 4 different festive holiday colors. And guess what? You can purchase a convenient bundle of yarn from their website using my affiliate link down below. Do you want the full pattern all at one time in one convenient place? Well, you can upgrade and get the printable PDF. No ads, no waiting, just some cozy crochet vibes. And when you purchase the full pattern before July 1st, you'll be entered to win a yarn bundle from crochet.com. Then throughout the rest of the cowl, there are other giveaway opportunities, such as posting your progress photos on social media and finishing your blanket in time. Don't forget to join the Juniper and Oakes Crochet Community Facebook group, which is the perfect place to post your progress pictures, ask questions, get inspiration, and make friends with other crocheters around the world. This cowl is beginner friendly. I've got a walkthrough on how to do the first section, so even if you've never done mosaic crochet before, you can make this magical blanket. So grab your yarn, grab your pattern, and let's make something festive together this July. So click the links down below to join the cowl, to buy the yarn bundle, and to create some cozy Christmas crochet, even in the middle of summer. Happy crocheting!